Singularity. It was there only at the start of the universe. The singularity turned into duality the very next moment. The vast, unlimited energy started converting into mass, duality, energy and mass. The duality also didn't stay. It quickly turned into trinity, positive, negative, neutral. Duality was the north pole of the magnet, south pole of the magnet, or long, near, extreme, less. So all those dual concepts become trinity because something neutral came. And after that, now we understand even there are not only three, but there are many dimensions exist. Singularity is not there. Such a vast universe, matter, antimatter, and so many such a small subatomic particles, how those extreme forces form. Who created all these things? Universe is very big. Let's just turn our attention to the third rock from the sun. How the intelligent life come only on one rock when there are trillions of objects exist only in the solar system. How did this happen? In order for life to exist, there are trillion, one in trillion possibilities is there. But that happened. How all these things happen? If you ask this question, people will answer, there must be God. There must be creator. Who created all of this? But there are always two answers. The answer given who created, answer came God. There are some other people, those we call scientists, they gave different answer. They start into the scientific jargons. So we want to know, like every simple person is always confused between these two concepts. I am a true Saganism. I have read the Sagan books, so I can tell you, you did not disprove God. Theorem can be proved two ways. One, you give the direct proof, or you can give the indirect proof that since you did not disprove it, that means it's proven. But that won't, the scientist community won't budge with that. So let's try to see some very simple definition. What is God? You will ask me, OMG, what are you talking about? OMG. Oh my God. This phrase exists in all the languages, every civilization across. They will use some kind of phrase called OMG. Oh my God. Or oh my goodness. Or goodness. OMG. We all face those OMG moments. So since goodness, everybody agrees. And if you say not goodness, that means devil, God prevails over devil, goodness prevails over not goodness. That proves. So God is proved. God is there. OMG. Everybody has faced those OMG moments. That time you will realize you are not alone. The God is carrying you. Even though scientific scientists ask them, did they face that OMG moment in their life? And what they exclaim at that time? They must have exclaimed OMG. So they invoke the existence of the God. So we proved. Now let's go further. Where God is, if it is exists, then where it is. Every civilization say God is in the heaven. So we look up. Every civilization. But there are exceptions. If you go to the astronauts in the International Space Center or any other object, if you ask them, where is the heaven? Because they have a different view than us. So if they look up, what they will see? Extreme coldness or extreme brightness, extreme energy. How can something burning or something extremely dead cold? How can heaven be there? When you ask them, where is the heaven? They look down. Look, so blue. So God exists, and we prove where it exists. We proved heaven as well, isn't it? We must understand we come from God and we go to the God. In between, there is a stop for every living soul. We must do our duty when we are at the stop. We must do good to all the five elements: the environment, the air, the water, the trees, the soil. We come from there, we go there. Where is the God? God is here. If you try to understand in the OMG movements what the soul sees, because he will be probably concentrated at that time, the soul will see there's an extreme brightness and an extreme darkness. And the soul is just hanging to a rope. Those brightness and darkness means days and night. He will observe some creatures are eating that rope where he's hanging on. The rope is the life. He understands when the rope is every soul, no matter what it is, they will love the rope. They will like the capsule they are in. They are in. Every soul will like the capsule which they are in. And at that time, they will realize there is a God. OMG. Oh my goodness. There is another way. That's meditation. When you try to get concentrated, all your Kundalini chakras will start getting in resonance. They will start getting in symphony. They will start flowing. The energy will start flowing from the root to our brain. All the chakras in unison. Bliss, oh bliss. Bliss, oh bliss. You will see God at that stage if you ever reach to that stage. Thank you.